Hi, this is Sean Darrington, Senior Director of Product Management. In this how-to video, I wanted to share with you how to actually pause and start again or resume replication among a given share that is being sent to one or more OneBlox rings. So let's log in and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my credentials here. This is my instance here locally where I have a number of dev systems set up. In this case, I have 3 different organizations simulating like a multi-tenant architecture. If you're a service provider or if you're a larger company that needs to have different organizations, you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and click on mine. Okay, so I have a number of rings already set up here in different clusters, obviously named to illustrate different locations for different OneBlox clusters that we're doing some replication to. In the previous video, I shared with you how to set up the initial replication, so I'm going to jump right into the shares and exports in this tile view of the different shares on the OneBlox clusters and show you how to stop and then resume replication. So now, because I'm going to stop replication, I'm going to go ahead and deselect source. This will automatically give me only the target shares. So now I can look at this and I can say, okay, Veeam2 is the target from London. It has the backup storage policy. Here's my last recovery point objective. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select this. Now you'll notice the tile names. This is the share name up at the top here, then the ring name or cluster name, and it's sorted alphabetically. New York before Paris, before San Francisco, before Sydney. So I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to go ahead and just select Veeam2. Now under Actions, this is where I actually just select Stop Replication. And now it's going to say, hey, do you really want to stop? And it's going to say Continue. Now in this case, I have two-factor authentication enabled on my account, and because this is something that is critical, this is an extra level of security. So if you do not have your one-time password set up for OneSystem, you will be prompted for your original OneSystem login. We also recommend to use a one-time password as an additional and stronger level of security. So now you'll see on the Veeam2 I have a different icon. It's no longer the green flag saying that everything is okay. It's a red pause button. And I can do that on multiple shares if I'd like to. To begin replication again, I simply select the share that I would like and resume replication. Now when I do this, it's actually going to pick up from the last recovery point. It doesn't have to start over from the synchronization of from the primary share to the secondary from block 0. It actually just picks up from that last recovery point, and you'll notice it actually advanced a couple minutes from the previous one. So that's as easy as it is to stop and then resume remote replication. Thanks for watching.